This is the AEG IKE64441FB Induction Hob, and in this video I'm going to show you how it works and let you know my thoughts. Right then, first of all let's have a look at some tech specs. It's 7.4 kilowatts overall, so you're going to need a 32 amp cooker socket to wire this in. You can't just plug it into a normal socket. For the hobs, the left hob is 3.2 kilowatts, the left back one is also 3.2 kilowatts, and the right ones are 2.8 and 2.5. With the left hobs, you also have the option to combine the two and have a long pan. I'll show you that in a second how it works. Other than the crosses for the hobs and the controls, it's really plain, simple, shiny glass surface, really easy to clean, and that's something I really like about induction hobs. The controls are in the front right hand corner here, all touch sensitive, really easy to use. Turn them on by pressing the power button. That brings up the zeros to show that each hob is on 0, and if you want to turn one on, you press the number. That's on 10 now. That's this front right hob. It's going to complain though that there's no F, that means there's no pan. If I put a pan on though, it automatically detects it and turns it on, and it starts heating the pan up. Each hob also has a P mode, which is a power boost, which gets maximum power for heating up water or whatever. I'll show you how quickly it heats up water in a second. There you go. Makes quite a loud buzzing noise, but it's probably no louder than the gas on a gas hob. Control wise, we also have a timer in the middle. If you press the timer, you can set a timer for 3 minutes if you want to boil something for 3 minutes, and that will beep when the timer is up. On the left here you also have a pause functionality, so if I put a pan on that hob there and turn this one on, you can also press pause and that just holds it off. Unpause and it resumes. We also have this function here which combines the two left hand hobs. I haven't got a pan big enough, but if you press this it will combine the two at the same temperature, and obviously it will say that hasn't got a pan on, but if you had one on both it would heat both the same. Finally, on the left here you've got a lock. If you hold that down, it locks everything so kids can't adjust anything, or So as a test to show you how powerful this hob is, I've got some water in this pan, probably enough to do some pasturing or something like that. I'm going to put it on, and I'm going to put it on, oh, the lock's on still. Hold the lock down. Now I can go. I'm going to put it on P for power boost mode. And let's see how long it takes the water to boil. The steam starting to rise from the pan. Bubbles starting to form in the bottom. That's really boiling now. Spot on. Really quick. So when a hob is hot, it has this symbol on it, even after the hob is turned off, so you know not to touch it and burn yourself. Although the heat is actually just from the pan sitting on it. The actual hob doesn't get hot on its own. One thing I will point out about induction hobs is your pans need to be stainless steel or cast iron or something like that, something magnetic. Put a magnet on the bottom and see if it sticks to it. Anything like ceramic or aluminium won't work on an induction hob, so you might need to get some new pans. So that was just a really quick overview of this induction hob from AEG. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now and I find it really good. Really consistent heat levels, really easy to control, perfect for cleaning, like any spillages just wipe up, much easier than a gas hob used to be. This specific model is available for around £450, and there you can get it in Currys and direct from AEG and on Amazon. Check out the links below to see the latest prices. Let me know below what the first thing you're going to cook on your new induction hob is. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.